There is no shortage of construction projects across the valley, Denise.
Yeah, a new survey finds 40% of the construction workforce plans to retire in the next 7 years. And the only 3% of young adults are actually interested in that type of trade work.
Heather Mills looks into the perception of the industry, how to cultivate some interest.
It's a very well-paying job and career that a lot of people don't get that exposure to, unfortunately.
A busy job site at Lake Las Vegas where 28 different trades are used and needed to complete these homes.
So this is going to be for the wet bar that sits here. That's the electrical for that.
But with a skilled trades labor shortage, some companies are now looking at new ways to attract a younger workforce.
Well, I think you just said it broadens our horizons. It gets some exposure to people in the industry. And
Scott Hoopengarner, the area construction manager for Taylor Morrison, is talking about their new internship program. David Dixon is the first Southern Nevada recruit.
And I Googled it and applied for it, and here I am now. It gives you that opportunity to learn a job and see if you love the job.
Dixon is entering his senior year at Texas Tech. While he says this paid summer program is demanding, it's also valuable.
We do a lot of scheduling and making sure that our trades get here and everybody's where they're supposed to be, and a lot of follow-ups.
Gotta make sure there's no obstructions, everything's flowing.
Recruiting workers, however, isn't always easy.
The construction industry has to make itself more attractive, for young people.
Neil Opfer is an associate professor in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering and Construction at UNLV. He says construction work has become easier with better equipment, but he says the key is exposure to shift any stigmas around labored work.
One of the problems has been with school districts across the country is that in a lot of cases they got rid of all their shop classes.
As Southern Nevada grows, so does the need for more workers. And Opfer tells me for those with the skills, that means more money.
If you've got a restricted supply and you've got a demand that's growing, one of the things you'll see is that you will see, wages, increase even more.
And he says it's the construction industry that'll pave the way for better roads, housing, and energy.
We make life better for people.
Dixon says he's always been excited about building things, but this internship has laid the ground for his future.
This is what I want to do, and this is where I want to be and have my career in construction.
Heather Mills, 8 News Now.
Now, according to the Building Talent Foundation, the skilled labor force in residential construction is expected to grow another 10% actually by 2028.